Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about boost your Amazon sales with Reddit. Let's get into it. Reddit is one of the most overlooked platforms when it comes to driving external traffic to Amazon listings, but it offers a unique opportunity for sellers to engage directly with communities that are actively discussing relevant topics. The key to success on Reddit lies in positioning your product within the conversation naturally and strategically. Unlike traditional advertising platforms, Reddit is built around trust, transparency, and genuine discussion. When users seek product recommendations or solutions to their problems, they are often looking for authentic opinions rather than promotional content. This means sellers must respond in a way that feels organic, offering helpful advice, suggesting solutions, and positioning their product as one option among others. For example, if someone in a subreddit is asking for help with getting better sleep, a seller can reply with, "I found that essential oils help a bit, but switching to a weighted sleep mask made the biggest difference for me. I use one from brand A, which feels a bit more premium, but brand B also makes a cheaper version that works for occasional use." This kind of comment creates a balanced and trustworthy impression. Instead of pushing just one link, it shows that the brand understands the needs of the customer and is offering options. When links are added, it's important to avoid being overly promotional. In fact, a best practice is to link to multiple products, including alternatives or even competitors. This neutral stance shows that the commenter isn't just trying to sell a product, but is genuinely trying to help. In many cases, it's even more effective to avoid linking entirely and simply mention the brand name. If the brand is easily searchable on Google or Amazon, interested users will find it without needing a direct link. Some subreddits do not allow any external links, and Reddit itself disables link tracking by default. That means traffic from Reddit won't usually appear in analytics or as referral traffic. For sellers who want to track performance, Amazon attribution links can be used, but this should be done carefully and only in subreddits that permit such parameters. Otherwise, simply mentioning the brand can still lead to conversions, especially if the brand ranks well in search results. Advanced tools can also be used to monitor Reddit for relevant discussions in real time. These systems scan for posts where people are asking questions or seeking recommendations related to the seller's product category. When a match is found, the tool can notify the seller immediately, allowing them to respond quickly and offer value at the right moment. This kind of real-time engagement can lead to increased visibility, authority, and ultimately more sales. Reddit also allows sellers to build long-term brand trust. By consistently showing up in discussions with helpful, informed responses and without aggressive self-promotion, sellers can establish themselves as part of the community. This fosters a sense of authenticity that's difficult to replicate through paid advertising alone. In conclusion, Reddit offers a powerful way to engage with potential buyers, provide value through conversations, and drive highly qualified traffic to Amazon listings. With the right approach, focusing on helpfulness, transparency, and strategic positioning, it can become a key part of an external traffic strategy for any Amazon seller. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.